Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get glitter fast in Bee Swarm Simulator. To start, focus your efforts on collecting pollen from fields that offer high yields. Ensure you are using your strongest bee, ideally one with excellent pollen collection statistics. Don't forget to activate any available boosts, as these can significantly increase your pollen gathering rate, making the process much quicker and more efficient for obtaining glitter. For optimal results, concentrate your pollen collection in the sunflower field and clover field. Both are fantastic for glitter. Remember to activate your field boosts and mountaintop field boosts whenever they are available. For an even greater advantage, consider using a super smoothie. This item provides a substantial boost to your pollen collection, helping you gather glitter much more quickly and effectively. When it comes to your bee team, prioritize bees that naturally have high pollen collection rates. Gifted bees are particularly valuable as they offer a 5% bonus to your overall pollen gathering. For those looking to maximize efficiency, consider utilizing a Bee Swarm Simulator macro. This can automate the collection process, allowing you to gather vast amounts of pollen and, consequently, glitter with minimal effort. For advanced glitter farming, the coconut field is a prime location due to its incredibly high pollen yield. Strategically placing a planter in a high-yield field can also significantly boost your passive pollen income. Furthermore, always prioritize completing quests, as many of them offer glitter as a direct reward. By combining these methods, you will be collecting glitter at an impressive rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.